Hi, boys and girls. Please put your name at the top of your paper. Okay, we're going to do 2 colors just like we did yesterday. So if you would like to get out your red and your blue, that would be really great. If you need to push pause for a second to get your tools so that you're ready, that's fine. Okay, so look at the first problem. We have 2 and 5. We're trying to figure out the answer to 2 plus 5. So last week we used our number line to help us with our adding, and this week we're going to use 10 frames to help us with adding. So please draw 2 circles in your 10 frame. Okay. Now take your blue crayon and I want you to draw 5 circles in your 10 frame. Now when we put those 2 together on the 10 frame, we look and add all of them together, and that's our answer. So 2 plus 5 is what? 7. Very good. Okay. So now look at the next problem. We have 4 plus 4. So we have 4 red dots. So please put 4 red dots on the 10 frames. Now we're going to do 4 blue. So let's do 4 blue dots. And then when we have 4 plus 4, we look and see how many all together. And when I look at my 10 frame, I have 8 all together. Okay. Now let's look at the next 10 frame. We have 1, so that's pretty easy. We just do 1 red dot, and then I have 8 blue dots. So let's count 8 all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have our 10 frame almost all the way full, and we only have 1 left. So the answer is 9. Okay, so we have 2 more problems. Okay, let's take a look. We have 7 and we have 3. So the first digit is 7. Let's do 7 dots on the 10 frame. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're going to do 3 more. So let's do 1, 2, 3. So if the entire 10 frame is full, we know the answer will be 10. Okay. Our last problem is 5. So we do 5 red dots, which is going to be the whole top row. And then we're going to do 3 on the bottom row, like this. And then we add all of them together. And how many are on the 10 frame? We have 8. Okay. So on the back side, we're going to be looking at subitizing. So subitizing is when you are able to look at a group of things and be able to tell what it is without having to count each one of them. So all we want you to do is color the apples on the 10 frame to match the number. So the first number is 3. So we're going to color 3 apples. Okay, so just color 3. And on the next 10 frame, we have 1. So we're going to color 1 apple. The next one is 2. So we color 2 apples. Then we have 9. So we're going to color almost all of the apples. And on the 10 frame, that means we're just leaving how many empty? Just going to leave 1. On the next frame, we have the number 8. So we're going to color 8 apples. There's 5. plus 3 more is 8. The next one, we have 6. We're going to color 6 apples. So I'm going to do the whole top row, and then I'm going to do one more. Okay, just a couple more. We have the number 10, so we're going to do 10 total apples. So that means every apple on the 10 frame is going to be colored. Okay, now we need to do 4 apples. And then 7 apples, so it's going to be the entire top row. Plus 2 more is 7 apples. The next problem has 3 apples. The next problem has 5 apples. So that's going to be the whole top line. And then our very last number is 8, which means we're going to have the whole top row plus 3 more. So the top row plus 3. All right. Good job, boys and girls. Excellent work today. Turn this into your teacher and then do what she wants you to do next.